Hello, I'm Professor Jali Ahmed. We'll see the next portion of this first video. Okay, that is the unit number 6. Uh, Global issues. We have seen this globalization and multinational corporations, cross-cultural issues, business ethics. This is the syllabus. I have read this in the previous video. This is so. This is also international rights, international rights continue. Technology transfer. So we're talking about the global issues. Okay, technology transfer. It is a process of moving technology to a new setting and implementing it there. Technology includes hardware, machines and installations, and the techniques, technical, organizational, and managerial skills and procedure. Okay, it may mean moving the technology applications from laboratory to the field, factory, or from country to another. This transfer is effected by governments, organizations, universities, and multinational companies. Appropriate technology, identification, transfer, and implementation of most suitable technology for a set of new situation is called appropriate technology. The term appropriate is value based and it should ensure fulfillment of the human needs and protection of the environment. Example of situation. MNCs and morality. The economic and environmental conditions of the home and the host country may vary, but the multinational institutions have to adopt appropriate measures not to disturb or dislocate the social and living condition and cultures of the home countries. They have to take care of this. A few principles are enlisted here. MNC should respect the basic human rights of the people of the host country. Okay. So multinational company have to think what are the basic principles, basic human rights of the people of the host countries. Okay, the activities of the MNC should give economic and transfer technical benefits and implement welfare measures of the workers of the host countries. Okay, so when the activities of MNCs should give economic and transfer technical benefits, they have to think about the host countries in everything. The business practices of the multinational organization should improve and promote morally justified institutions in the host countries. The business practices of MNCs should improve and promote morally justified institutions in the host countries. The multinationals must respect the laws and political setup beside cultures and promote the cultures of the host countries. Okay, in this regard also the host countries culture is taken into consideration. They have to respect. The multinational organization should provide a fair remuneration to the employees of the host countries. If the remuneration is high as that of the home country, this may create tension, and if it is too low it will lead to the exploitation. Okay, the multinational institution should provide necessary safety for the workers when they are engaged in hazardous activities, and informed consent should be obtained from them. Adequate compensation should be paid to them for the additional risk undertaken. Case study. Ethical balance. A study of Bhopal and tragedy to the student. Ethical balance. There is saying when in Rome do as Romans do. Okay, when you are Rome, do as the Romans do. This is called ethical relativism. False if host country is compromising on laws. On the other hand, the organization may practice laws of the home country without adjustment to the host culture. This stand is called as a ethical absolutism, false as conflict with host culture. Hence, MSc may adopt ethical relationism, relationism as a compromise. Moral judgments are made in relation to the factor prevailing locally without framing rigid rules. Judgment should be contextual and in line with the customs of the other cultures. Accept cultural diversity and respect the cultural differences among the individuals and groups of the host country. Thank you.